this is a story about the guy who had this plan that he gonna start doing epic moto vlog videos, but you know, it didn't go so well. But before we go to the forest, I want to introduce you to my new friend, that is ALEKSI RINNE, and he has this epic YouTube channel. He does enduro and freeride videos, so if you like to watch footage like that, go and subscribe his channel because those videos are good. He came here to my hometown and he will spend here like a couple of days and we will ride freeride and enduro, stuff like that. Okay, but the audio, what the GoPro had with that mic was like this.
Yeah, I got a new mic. My friend ALEKSI RINNE is here today.
So as you can hear, the sound is pretty awesome. It's crystal clear. It's like from the studio. So yeah, I had so much awesome footage, but now it's completely useless. But if I do the audio by myself again, it can be like much more better video. So let's try. Usually it's much more dry if you go from the left.
Alright.
As you can see, there has been like 100 bikes after I was here last time, so
Nice.
don't go to the middle. But you never know, it can be really easy, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, that was actually quite dry when you go to the left. We have had so dry summer here, so hot summer here, so even the swamps are dry. Oh shit! This is wet. Oh shit! I had to unleash all the power what my 300 have right there, you know. Let's try to climb that one. Yeah, that was actually pretty easy. Dang, my bike is so powerful. You know, let's go to the swim now. Here is like the crystal clear lake. This is a good place to hang out. You got holidays and stuff like that. Let's go swim because my head is boiling. Water is so pure that you can drink it.
Voi morjes kun lähti vähän ilmaan.
Yeah, that is crazy fast.
Yeah.
God damn, boy.
twisted, it's all in my head. Cause darling, I know you're the one for me. These voices that taunt me as I lay in bed won't let you in out, they're no good for me. I rule by my heart and it's coming for you. Won't let these doubts.
Siitä mentiin läpi niin, että hölähti.